You may or may not be wondering why I'm sitting here in absolute silence. Not saying a word. Utterly stunned. The fact is that my emotional feelings have been severely hurt. The fact that the criticism that led to this state of affairs should come from none other than my beloved Terry only adds to its barbedness. Terry told me last night that I go on a bit. Terry said that I have a tendency to become inebriated by the exuberance of my own verbosity, or as I prefer to call it, run off at the gob. That's why I'm keeping it zipped. Just to see if I can. Which of course I can. I mean, normally I'll be regaling you with all sorts of interesting stories from the world of the rich and the celebrated, etc. But I feel, out of respect for my Terry's opinion, I should at least try to see if my silence can, at times, be more interesting. Oh, bollocks to this. I'm not bloody David Blaine. I was out with Anthony Turner.